What's going on, fam? It's your boy Gels, and I'm back with another video. And in this video, we're going to talk about what to look for in an artist manager. Let's go. Like I said, fam, in this video, we're going to talk about what to look for in an artist manager. I know some of you may have had managers reach out to you. They have promised you this, promised you that, but you really don't know what to look for when choosing an artist manager. That's what I'm here for, baby. I'm here to help. So enough of me talking. Let's head over to the computer and check this out. All right. What to look for in a music manager. Number 1, experience and track record. Consider the manager's experience in the music industry. Look for a manager who has a track record of success with a proven ability to develop artists, secure opportunities, and navigate the industry landscape. They should have a solid understanding of the business side of music. Number 2, industry connections and network. As we all know, connections and network, man, that's what makes the music business go. A good music manager should have a strong network of industry contacts, including record labels, booking agents, promoters, publicists, and other professionals who can help advocate your career. Their connections can open doors and provide opportunities for exposure and growth. You definitely want a professional who can help advance your career, man. Passion and commitment. Find a manager who is genuinely passionate about your music and believes in your potential. They should demonstrate a genuine interest in your artistic development, career goals, and long-term success. Look for someone who is dedicated, proactive, and willing to go the extra mile for you. This is big, man. Don't get with a manager just because of a name. You want to get with a manager that's really, really passionate for you and your craft. Trust and communication. Trust is vital in any artist-manager relationship. Look for a manager who is transparent, honest, and communicates effectively. They should be a good listener, understanding your vision, concerns, and aspirations. Clear and open communication is essential for a successful partnership. Trust and communication. This goes both ways, though, man. When you have a manager who really is good with communication, you're not going to like everything they have to say. Especially, I know we are artists, you guys are artists, and you're passionate and serious about what you do, and it's hard for somebody to may tell you something is wrong or something is going bad. It's hard for us to deal with that. But you're going to have trust in your manager, man, that they know what they're doing and they know what they're talking about. Complementary skill set. Seek a manager who complements your skills and fills in the gaps in areas where you may need support. This could include knowledge in areas such as marketing, branding, contract negotiations, or tour management. A well-rounded manager can provide valuable guidance and experience in various aspects of your career. Alignment with your vision and values. Find a manager who understands and respects your artistic vision and values. They should be aligned with your creative direction and committed to preserving your artistic integrity. Look for someone who shares your values, work ethic, and long-term goals. Proven problem-solving abilities. This is big. Things are going to go wrong in the music business. A lot of people say more things go right than they go wrong. More things go wrong than they go right. When I was an artist, man, that seems to happen, man. We're performing a show, the sound goes out, the DJ messes up the live track that we have. Something always goes wrong. But hey, you have to have a manager and you have to be an artist that's willing to fight through the problems, man, that have problem-solving abilities. The music industry can be challenging. and obstacles are inevitable. Look for a manager who has demonstrated problem solving skills, adaptability, and the ability to navigate challenges effectively. They should be resourceful, strategic, and able to find solutions to various issues that may arise. Number 8, strong work ethic and dedication. You as the artist, man, you don't want to be putting in hours, working. And you look at your manager ain't putting in no work, they ain't putting in no hours. And vice versa as well, man. You don't want to have a manager that's working, and you ain't doing nothing as an artist, man. That's gonna fail, man. Your relationship is not gonna prosper. Your career is not gonna prosper. A music manager needs to be proactive, hardworking, and dedicated to your career. They should demonstrate a strong work ethic and willingness to put in the necessary time and effort to advance your career. Look for someone who is driven, organized, and committed to achieving results. References and reputation. Seek references or testimonials from other artists or industry professionals who have worked with the manager. Consider their reputation in the industry, their level of professionalism, and the success stories associated with their management. Remember, finding the right music manager is a personal and important decision. Take your time to thoroughly research, interview, and meet with potential managers. Trust your instincts and choose someone who believes in your talent, understands your vision, and has the skills and connections to help you navigate the music industry successfully. Yes, sir. So those are some simple things to look for when selecting an artist manager. Some people may have artist managers reach out to them and they don't know who they are. They've never worked with this person. They've never spoken to this person. So it's a little intimidating to know if you're talking to, one, a real artist manager, and two, if this person can actually help you. So if you found some benefit in this ebook, be sure to head over to my website, mixedbygels.com, download the ebook, and share it with all the artists that you know. Also, let's talk about it in the comments below. Have you had artist managers reach out to you and they promise you this, promise you that, or they may not have promised you anything. They just reaching out to say they reached out. Have you reached out to some artist managers and found out, hey, they were actually pretty good or they were actually pretty bad? Let's talk about that in the comments below as well. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Hey, it's your boy Gels, baby. I'm gone.